Hello, welcome back. This video is all about the cell division. So, first of all, to let you know that every living organism, from the smallest bacteria to the largest animals, is made up of cells that we all know. We have studied about the cells as well. But did you know that these cells are constantly dividing? So, in this video, we will be talking about the important phenomena, which is cell division, by which the cell divides. So, cell division is the process by which the cell divides to form new cells. It's an essential part of growth, repair, and reproduction in all living organisms. Without cell division, we wouldn't grow, we wouldn't heal when we get hurt or even reproduce. It's how we make more cells to replace the old ones. How we grow from a tiny embryo into a fully grown adult, and how life continues from generation to generation. Imagine you get a cut on your skin. What happens? Your cells divide over here, right? So your cell divides and form new cells to close up the wound and help you heal. That's the cell division at work. So, this was all about the introduction to the cell division in this video. In the next video, we will talk about which type of cell division make us alive, healthy, and dividing ourselves. Stay tuned. Bye bye.